What's up, YouTube? So it's me, Anissa, from React to That, and today I will be playing, drumroll please, Subway Surfers. So I will be trying to get a very high score on it. I'm kind of good and I kind of am not, so don't expect me to get like 5,000 coins or something like that. So let's start. This is like a natural game to Samsung tablets. Hold on, I need to pause this video real quick so I can do something. Okay, so let's start. Hold on, I want to get 2 keys, so wait. Whenever this ad is over, I'll resume the video. Okay, the ad is over, and of course you can see how many coins I have. 19,468 and 3 keys. So, let's go. Nope, I do not want that. Now, this is going to take a while, so let's play. Thank you, Lord. Ooh, S. Yeah. Booyah. Freak.
Who's getting married, Nina? Do you know?
Huh?
Who's getting married?
I think
got pregnant?
Yeah, I think them two, yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
What's up, Tegan? Why are you screaming at Sissy? Sorry, I'm talking to my little sister. I talk in third person. I call myself Sissy.
So you should know, son.
No, I'm talking to myself. Joking, no, I'm not. I'm just talking to the tablet, or whatever. Or the camera, or whatever it is. No, you don't. You have yourself already, so it doesn't matter. Hold on. Okay, let's resume. Sorry, I thought someone called my name.
Dude, Chica Ginger, is that you?
Oh my god! Okay, so obviously you see I can't go really far. But that will be the end of the video. Bye.